Welcome back to Displacement Garage. Today we're installing smoke cover tunnel taillights on our 2025 Jeep Gladiator thanks to American Modified. Here's what you have to look forward to. Both of your taillights are going to be professionally packaged and wrapped. If you're getting the fully smoked taillights, this is exactly what you're going to get. You'll also get nuts, bolts, screws, clips, and a bracket for each taillight for easy installation. If completely smoked isn't your thing, don't worry, they have an option for you guys as well. This is going to be your partially smoked taillight. It leaves your reverse lights untinted and it looks great. We're going to tell you guys what tools you need. Get ready to pause and screenshot. Tools needed for removal. First, you're going to need your 8mm socket and a ratchet of your choice. Remove the 2 bolts holding in your taillight. Gently tug on the taillight to remove it. Get your favorite clip removing tool. Ours is a small flathead screwdriver. At this point, grab your favorite detailing spray and give that area a wipe down. Grab the small bag that your taillights come with. You'll need 1 bracket, 2 nuts, 2 bolts, and 2 clips. Using the inside of the L bracket, you're going to use a bolt and a nut on each side on the top and bottom to secure. Grab a 5.5mm wrench or socket and a Phillips head screwdriver to fully secure the top and lower bolt and nut. This is a plug and play installation, so you're not going to have to do any drilling into your Jeep Gladiator. After those are fully secure, grab your 2 clips. Secure your clips onto your bracket, leaving the extra remaining clip hanging over the back side. This is what you'll use to secure your extra wiring safely so that way it doesn't bounce around. Reach up as high as you can and secure your clips and bracket. We will show you guys what that looks like. Pops right on and sits perfectly. Connect your wiring harness back together as well. Remove your clip nuts from your factory taillights and apply them to the new taillights. Once everything is secure, go ahead and push on your new taillight. Get your factory 8mm bolts out to reattach your taillight. If you need some extra clearance, raise up on the back of your tailgate just a little. This will allow you to line up that top bolt perfectly. Secure the top and bottom bolt with your favorite ratchet. Congratulations, you have just installed your driver's side taillight. Happy dance at this point is optional. Let's remove our passenger side bolts. These are also going to be the 8mm size bolts that you're removing. Give the taillight a tug and it easily removes. Grab your favorite clip removing tool. Ours is a small flathead screwdriver. Especially for Jeep clips, that does make the removal easier. Go ahead and wipe down the surface area surrounding your old taillight. Get ready to see the before and after. Grab your remaining bracket, 2 nuts, 2 bolts, and 2 clips. Install the bolts and nuts to the top and bottom of your bracket. With a 5.5mm socket or wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and secure the top and lower nut and bolt. Add your 2 remaining clips to each bracket. The larger side of the clip should be away from your wiring. Remove and install the clip nuts from your stock taillights onto your new aftermarket taillights. Reach up as high as you can and install your new bracket. Reinstall your wiring harness and apply your taillight to your Gladiator. Get your factory 8mm bolts out and go ahead and reattach those to the top and bottom. Raise up your tailgate slightly for an easier installation on your top bolt. Use your favorite 8mm socket and your ratchet and go ahead and reattach those fully. Buckle up for the final reveal. Thank you all so much for being here today and watching with us. Leave us a comment down below if you like the driver's side or the passenger side taillights better. Be sure to stop by American Modified's website for all your Jeep Gladiator needs. Get ready to get hypnotized by these amazing tonals, especially at night. I love that the LEDs also match the third brake light. It makes it a little bit more cohesive in the back too. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!